You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's see the email on your Facebook account. First, log into Facebook on a computer or mobile browser. Click your profile icon, then Settings and Privacy. Select Settings. In the left menu, click Personal and Account Information. Tap Contact Info. Here you will see all the email addresses and phone numbers associated with your Facebook account. Your primary email is usually listed first and marked as such. If you have multiple emails, they will all appear here. This page shows the contact information you have added and verified. To view the email you use for login, check the top of the contact info page. Remember, Facebook does not display your email publicly on your profile unless you have added it to your About section. To check there, go to your profile, click About, then Contact and Basic Info. This shows what the public can see. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel. You're watching Infinity Tech. Let's enable crossfade on Apple Music to blend your songs together smoothly. First, open the Apple Music app on your iPhone. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. From the menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Audio. Tap on Audio to reveal more sound settings. Here you will find the crossfade toggle switch. Simply turn this switch on. Once enabled, you can adjust the crossfade duration by using the slider below the toggle. Move the slider left for a shorter fade, like 1 second, or right for a longer fade, up to 12 seconds. Play a song. To hear how the end of one track seamlessly transitions into the beginning of the next. This setting applies to music you stream and also to songs you have downloaded to your library. The crossfade feature works on iPhone and iPad, but is not available on Apple Music for Mac computers. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.